What's up guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about MetaConnect 2022 and all major announcements made on MetaConnect 2022. Last year at MetaConnect, the company then known as Facebook launched a bomb. Now it would be known as Meta and would focus on building the metaverse. After investing billions of dollars in the future of virtual reality, the celebrated Meta is back this year for its next big announcement. Legs. Yes, avatars will have legs. Our disembodied torsos will eventually take their biblical form. Well, we all know that today's biggest announcement was the highly anticipated Meta Quest Pro, a high-end VR headset that retails for $1,499,99. But between its new hardware and legs, Meta revealed a number of updates to its plan to dominate virtual reality. Here's what CEO Mark Zuckerberg and other Meta executives revealed at MetaConnect 2022. Microsoft CEO Nadella joined Zuckerberg at MetaConnect to announce that Windows apps, terms integration, and Xbox Cloud Gaming are coming to Quest. Users will be able to use progressive web app versions of tools such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Workrooms is just the first step forward to virtual offices in the metaverse, but the metaverse will not be built by a single company and Connect. Meta's CEO Mark Zuckerberg was joined by Microsoft President Nadella, and together they shared their plans to accelerate the future of work. According to Nadella, Microsoft is particularly excited about the ways the virtual and physical worlds are coming together. The new partnership brings Microsoft's popular productivity tools to Meta VR headsets, giving people even more flexibility in how they collaborate and do work. And as Zuckerberg said, our partnership with Microsoft is a very important part of bringing virtual reality to the workplace. Who's the audience for a $1,499 headset? The corporations, perhaps? Meta said it has launched 60,000 Quest 2 headsets as part of a partnership with Accenture and will create a subscription product, Meta Quest for Business, next year. There's an opportunity for a headset designed from the ground up to be great for work, games, and outings, said Zuckerberg. CTO Andrew Borsliff appears to be on the same page, noting that VR headsets may one day completely replace our desktops. We will believe it when we see it. After months of rumors, Meta introduced the upcoming Quest Pro headset. With Meta's latest headset, the Quest 2, the company's goal was to produce an affordable product for the customer. But the Quest Pro in mixed reality is an opportunity for Meta to fold the gain of all the money it has invested in Reality Labs. It's the first in our new line of high-end devices and was designed with collaboration and productivity in mind. Meta Quest Pro will help you feel more present even if you are physically separate. And it'll gain you next level setup that lets you overlay your work on the physical world while taking advantage of the vast virtual space for more flexible multitasking. Meta Quest Pro uses cutting-edge technology that will evolve the way we work, with features and experiences that include innovative pancake ops. It will provide sharper images for reading texts such as documents and emails, in VR with 75% chance of contrast than Meta Quest 2. These innovative pancakes ops have also allowed us to reduce the original slack of the 40s headset compared to Meta Quest 2, which means you will notice far less volume in front of the headset when you wear it, so you can focus on your activities. Full color mixed reality. It allows you to see the physical environment around you, multitasking your virtual workspace with 3 huge virtual monitors placed exactly where you want them. With the screen appearing right above your desktop along with everything else in your physical workspace, eye tracking, and natural facial expressions. Let your avatar represent you more naturally in virtual reality. These features, combined with manual tracking, allows avatars to view nonverbal cues, allowing for greater communication and a greater sense of presence. A sleek and open design. This will allow you to use your peripheral vision for easier note-taking and greater awareness of your surroundings. Additionally, Meta Quest Pro offers flexible levels of immersion with partial magnetic light blocks included in the box to create a more immersive experience that can be used for focused work. All new controllers. all come with an extra pencil tip for natural writing and drawing, especially useful on writing on the whiteboard and workrooms. Controllers are also fully automatic for a 360-degree range of motion, designed to be more balanced and ergonomic with improved precision and tactical gestures that will add a better experience for people who want to build, review, and collaborate in 3D objects in VR. At launch, Meta Quest Pro is designed for peoples like architects, engineers, builders, makers, and designers who want to increase their workflow and enhance their creativity with the power of virtual reality. In the long run, we expect the device to unlock a wide range of new ways to experiment and improve work across many different industries and companies. Until now, Meta has been quite cautious when it comes to disclosing financial information about its metaverse unless required by the SEC. Today, the company said its Quest store has earned over $1.5 billion in-game and app sales. It sounds impressive, but consider that last quarter alone, Meta invested $2.8 billion in VR. It's time to get swole. Exercise is an expected use case for virtual reality. There's a lot to be skeptical of when it comes to Zuckerberg's intense metaverse trust, but VR fitness apps like Supernatural are actually a lot of fun. Now Meta is launching a bundle of products to help you be less sweaty when boxing on headphones. For just $69.99, you get a washable face interface, wrist straps, and adjustable knuckle straps. Is it really worth $69.99? I don't know. Is Quest Pro really $1.499.99 million? We will see. These companies aren't the only ones optimistic about the future of metaverse work. Over the past year, we worked with dozens of partners to create new experiences for people looking to do things in VR and beyond. Autodesk is updating its collaborative design review app to take advantage of the new possibilities unlocked by Meta Quest Pro. This will offer architects and designers a new way to review 3D models in an engaging way. We've also partnered with Adobe to help people do more in VR. Next year, Adobe Substance, 3D apps for professional 3D creators, designers, and artists will arrive in Meta Quest Pro and Meta Quest 2. So anyone can model 3D objects and participate in collaborative reviews within VR with our collaborators. Adobe will bring Adobe Aero to the Meta Quest store, enabling the viewing, editing, and collaboration of PDF documents. Important advances in virtual reality productivity. Share videos from Horizon Worlds on Reels. We're not sure who wanted this, but of course, why not? In all seriousness, it could be a good way for Meta to simply raise awareness of what Horizon Worlds is and how a small number of people are using it. But Horizon Worlds is a bit boring at best, so we don't see this catching on. But what if legs could change everything? Yes, Horizon Worlds is a pretty awkward attempt to convince people that the metaverse is great, but what if our disembodied torsos finally had legs? In the next Meta Avatar update, we will finally look like real people. Seriously, the legs are hard, Zuckerberg joked during the presentation. Well, if you're looking forward to tweaking some spreadsheets, switching to team calls in VR, and stretching your new digital legs, Quest Pro is now available for pre-order and expected to ship on October 25th. With that being said, it's time to end today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out!